Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Bgmi and your device audio drivers. This ensures settings behave predictably. Once done, open Bgmi and plug in or pair your headset. Make sure mic gain is low so background noise isn't amplified. Next, enable any system noise suppression or install a lightweight noise reduction app and grant microphone permissions. This gives you control before changing in-game options. These steps reduce variables, so when you adjust Bgmi audio, you hear the actual. You now change Bgmi internal audio. Go to Settings, then Audio, and lower voice chat volume while keeping SFX and master balanced so game sounds stay clear. Once there, disable surround or 3D audio options. Those can introduce ambient artifacts, and pick the voice codec or mic sensitivity option with the least background pickup. Then enable push-to-talk or manually toggle the mic off when you're not speaking. This prevents constant ambient noise from streaming into gameplay or recordings. You finish by isolating Bgmi at the system level. Open your OS audio mixer and set other apps to mute while confirming the correct mic is selected for Bgmi. Once done, record a short 10-20 second clip in-game to verify results, and tweak the noise suppression threshold in your app until background hiss drops without clipping your voice. If noise persists, make sure the mic capsule is clean, batteries are fresh, and no other apps are accessing audio. This often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.